Welcome to Australia, a land of stunning contrasts and breathtaking beauty. From sun-kissed beaches to rugged outback, Australia is a traveller's paradise. Join me as we explore its rich culture, diverse landscapes, and the unique wildlife that calls this incredible country home. First up, we're in Sydney. Famous for its iconic opera house and the stunning harbour bridge, this city is a vibrant hub of art, culture, and history. Did you know that the Opera House is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Its unique sail-like design is an architectural marvel. Sydney isn't just about its landmarks. The streets are alive with creativity. From street performers to bustling markets, you can feel the pulse of the city. Don't forget to try some local delicacies, fish and chips by the beach, or fresh produce from the markets. Just a short drive from the city, the Blue Mountains offer a stunning escape into nature. With dramatic cliffs, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls, it's a hiker's dream. Make sure to check out the Three Sisters rock formation. Legend has it that these rocks represent three sisters turned to stone in Aboriginal folklore. And speaking of unique experiences, let's talk wildlife. Australia is home to some of the world's most fascinating creatures. Spot kangaroos hopping in the bush, cuddle a koala at a sanctuary, or listen to the vibrant calls of colourful parrots. Remember, keep a respectful distance. These animals are best enjoyed in their natural habitat. Now, let's venture into the heart of Australia, the Outback. One of the most iconic sites is Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. This sacred site is a breathtaking sight, especially at sunset when it glows a fiery red. It's a place of deep cultural significance for the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of the land. Australia's culture is deeply intertwined with its Indigenous heritage. From art to music, the stories of the Aboriginal peoples span thousands of years. Be sure to visit an art gallery or join a cultural tour to learn about their rich history and traditions. You might even catch a traditional dance or storytelling session. And who could forget the Great Barrier Reef? This natural wonder is the largest coral reef system in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Snorkeling or diving here is like swimming in a rainbow of colours, surrounded by incredible marine life. Just remember to practice sustainable tourism to help protect this fragile ecosystem. As the sun sets on another day in this beautiful country, it's clear that Australia is a place where adventure and culture intertwine. Whether you're hiking in the bush, soaking up the sun on the beach, or engaging with local traditions, there's something for everyone here. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Australia is waiting for you, full of stunning scenery, rich culture, and experiences that will stay with you forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. See you next time.